on.
See, now I can't use that clip.
Why? You can't even see what it is.
Because you said a bad word. Well, Owen, she blew off.
She blew off.
We made it a whole 100 feet down the road. Of course.
No.
We're here in a nice shop with a lift.
Free
about
food.
to work on some stuff. What's Josh doing?
Eating
a freaking salad.
With a spoon.
With a spoon, even worse. Is there avocado on that?
Yes, there is.
What kind of dressing?
Are you from California?
Oh, it's like Southwest dressing.
Okay. Southwest Chipotle action.
Yeah, exactly. Yes.
All right. Cool. All right. Well, we'll get you all fueled up, and then we'll get a. When are we starting the truck? Are we gonna ever start the truck?
We're gonna work on that after I have my salad.
Okay. After the salad.
Toss the salad.
After the salad, we're doing, what would you call that? Turbo piping of some sort?
My cack.
Cock pipe.
Cack. C-A-C. You better put that in there.
The cack pipe. Cack pipe. Yeah, I'll put it on the screen.
Charge air cooler, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Not to be confused with a type of chicken.
Yes.
But that looks like it's going to be a pain too.
Oh yeah.
It looks like it
Everything's
goes.
a pain.
Looks like it goes deep. So this is how to do a cack pipe on a. What year is this thing?
2005.
2005.
The wrench in your toe.
6.0 Powerstroke King Ranch. King Ranch optional.
Custom King Ranch.
Yeah. Vinny, the expert, says 0407. All the same. Let's get to it.
Vinny, what are we doing?
Hack pipes.
Okay.
How many times?
What are we doing at the moment?
Oh, sorry.
Air filter delete.
Yeah, we don't need this. More air, more power.
Oh wait, are you allergic?
No, we're taking the intake off right now because the pipe runs underneath.
You're interrupting
the
his
intake.
explanation.
Yeah.
You know what, Josh? I thought I liked you.
I'm making fun of Owen's allergy.
You're in my house now.
Yeah.
Yeah, and if you successfully count how many times we say cack in this video, we'll give you a
Giveaway.
0% discount on our non-existent merch.
You could come on a ride with us. How about that?
Oh,
You like that, man?
that's a good one.
That's our giveaway. If you
What?
win this giveaway, you get to go on a ride with us.
That's a good one.
Okay.
Yep. All right, take out the cack.
Alright, we have the cack in hand.
Cock removed.
You can see.
Oh yeah,
Oh, it
so
says
let's look
it
at the
right on it.
slit.
It actually,
Right there.
Yeah, that's where our boost leak is.
show the stamp that says cack on it.
Yeah, so we know.
And well, the boost leak too.
Das Boost.
It says cack on it on the back. Just in case it didn't.
Cack.
In case it didn't believe that we actually.
Yes, that's
Now we're gonna
actually
hang
what
on
it's
my
called.
hands
Nice and clean in here.
This is
too.
what we do.
So what do we have here?
Yeah, screw you.
Wrench it, boy, wrench it!
We're on to the next cack. This guy goes right down here, nice and oily.
That one's a big silver cack.
Yeah, it's gonna look so much nicer. The new one is like nice, high gloss black. Got all these nice clamps. Very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice. Great success. Josh, you know what that's from?
Yeah, Borat.
Borat. Alright.
Actually check it though.
Remove this. Oh, wow, that popped right out. I don't know if I even got that on film. I wasn't ready for
There's
it.
a.
Ooh, oddly satisfying that was. Alright. Dual cacks removed.
Yes,
That's
Oh man.
Running no cacks.
Alright. Wow, it looks pretty fresh in there, dude.
Running?
We're currently running the head gasket delete too.
Why is this turbo so small?
Yeah, okay.
Zoom in on him.
Yeah, okay.
That's zoomable.
You need more.
Zoom.
You need more turbo in this thing.
So full power, baby.
Why didn't you get sumps for this? Why'd you get nittos?
Sorry.
Should have got sumps.
Why don't we make it naturally aspirated? Just take the turbo right out.
Naturally asparagus.
Asparagus.
We're friends to nature. I let a mouse stay here rent free.
Eat it.
I don't know if he's still there or not, but
Rent free.
Dude, I think
he's got like a.
dude, he's eating all these wires up.
Nah,
I think he ate your head gasket.
I think he did because I don't think I have any left. Right?
Right, dude. Diesel.
Losing some coolant.
Wait, do it like Brian always says, take this off, and if it makes a noise, you know your head gasket. Something like that. How does that work?
What?
Alright, look at this. A true pro. Pre-assemble it, so then you can just slide it right in.
Slide it
That's
in.
a good idea.
I like that.
Do you need any lube for this, or is it a dry operation?
No, you always need the lube.
Alright, get that free all. Get that free all, son.
Dude. Free all.
Alright, what are you going for first? The bottom?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Get in here for this.
Makes it sound like we're working on more than one thing.
Working on stuff over here. Oh yeah. Get a little twist and shout. Alright. The top of the cock.
Look at that fitting.
Alright.
That old hickory handle, boy.
That's going on a hell of a lot easier than the bottom one. It looks good though, it's not hitting anything here.
Nah.
Looks good.
We're good news.
Yeah, that's good. You never know when you buy stuff online if it's gonna fit right, but this actually looks like a pretty good kit, so that's good. Now we'll just snug her up and we'll move to the next cock. Alright, second cock going in. I'm still tightening up the first cock. Where's your bungee cord? Where's your bungee belt?
It's gone.
Oh wait, we run laceless around here.
Ooh, heavy. Not hooked up yet though.
Oh, that's I can't do that. You okay, bro? You need help?
No, I'm good, man.
That's what I thought.
Alright, see, that's real nice, Ryan, but the only thing, if it's red, it stays in the shit.
You alright?
Alright, I can try without the extension. Yeah, dude, it's tough with that. You want this?
Tightening everything back up.
Now I'm a real man.
Jeez, look at those biceps, dude.
There you go.
Someone goes to the gym.
Ready?
Tim, what do you bench?
90 pounds?
Ooh, yeah, so
Dude, I benched the bar, man.
Ooh. Damn.
I actually don't know what I bench.
The bar is pretty heavy. I usually just stick with that.
Got everything hooked up.
Vin's doing
nice.
a final check.
Yep. Letting the actual mechanic check it down.
Uh-oh. Well, now you got a rag with your mouse nest down there.
That's okay. It's more habitat for him.
No, it actually looks really good.
Yeah, it does look good.
Yeah.
Looks clean unlike the rest of this truck.
Honestly,
Oh, what were you guys talking about?
this was a way easier job than
Oh
I
yeah. Ooh, we're
I know you
a
figure
little bit of leakage.
Yeah, I thought it was
I guess we can wait till like the intro. Before we...
All I gotta say is good enough.
Do you know where this was?
Yeah, like
Smell
Ryan
it.
and I were. Yeah,
Taste it.
put away.
Well, the cacks are done. Both of them are in, all tight. Looking good. It looks flashy in here, almost like this thing might actually be kind of fast.
It is
Almost.
Almost as if.
Get over here.
This
All right.
is making me uncomfortable.
Well, Vin, what do you think? You've done this a few times before.
Yeah. No, it went
Just make
fairly well.
We're just hoping that none of them shoot off on the way home.
Yeah. I don't think
But,
they will, but
If
it was a nice, like I said, it's a nice setup. Nice
Yeah.
kit.
brick news.
if they don't shoot off on the way home, this will be the end of the video. If they do, we'll catch that on the way home, as these two almost die. Well, till next time, guys. Keep wrenching, keep ripping. We'll see you guys next time. Well, Owen, she blew off.
She blew off.
We made it a whole 100 feet down the road. Oh my god. Well, let's see what these goons need help with.
Not that bad.
Oh my god. Well, how are we gonna loosen it? You got your...
I have my tool set.
Alright.
His very chintzy tool set on the side of the road when it's below 30 degrees.
Yeah, well, you know.
I'll listen to that 6.0 idle.
Yeah, see, this is why you just buy a gas non-turbo truck.
Get a video when I leave. You know, I'll spool it up.
Oh yeah, okay.
Spool up my naturally.
Is it a 10 millimeter?
Yeah,
Yeah,
it is. It
everything
is
is
a
10.
10 mil.
Oh!
That's the only socket I don't have.
Do you have like an open-ended wrench that's a 10? All right,
I hear
we'll get
Vinny.
back to you once it's tuned up here. All right, we are back on the road. Hopefully, that's the only one that's popping off tonight.
Yeah, hopefully.
At least we got to make it home. You can pop them off another day. How about that? I think Josh is gonna follow us to make sure we make it home. So, if this is the end, we didn't blow another one off, and we'll see you guys next time. Keep wrenching, keep repping. See you later. Bye.